So friends, in this video I am going to consider a multi-bagger tire company. The company's name is Balkrishna Industries Ltd. So this will be the first video of my series of multi-bagger stocks. So I will give an overview of this company in the first PowerPoint presentation here before going to the website. So I will give an overview of the company. The Balkrishna Industries Ltd is a tire company based in Mumbai. It is engaged in the manufacture of off-highway tires used in specialized segments like mining, earth moving, agriculture and gardening. It has 5 factories located in Aurangabad, Bhiwadi, Chowpanki, Dombivli and Bhuj. As early as 2013, it was ranked 41st among the world's largest tire makers. And they are currently an OEM vendor for heavy equipment manufacturer JCB, John Deere and CNH Industrial. And the company enjoys around 2% market share in the global after-tire segment. And they predominantly cater the replacement market in North America and Europe. Their North American office is located in Akron, Ohio, with one warehouse in Wyandotte, South Carolina. And 80% of the Balkrishna Industries Limited in the United States in the farm market or agricultural market. And BKT Tires or Balkrishna Tires have been also engaged in the sponsoring of sports events. They are the official and exclusive tire sponsor for Monster Jam, that is a racing event, since 2014. They also, in 2018, they also acquired the rights of Italian football second division Series B for 3 years, the league in a Series KVT under the agreement. So if you open the website of this company, you can see that their company is actually presence in the different manufacturer different tires for different applications like agriculture, industrial and mining. So they are present in the last 30 years, and they are actually established their business in 1987, and they are had a exclusive product range for around 2,700 high performance specialist tires. And the website, you can also see the motto of the MD also, which mentions that they share the idea of a great team in which everyone pulls in the same direction. And they also uses top quality manufacturing technology for their manufacturing plants. And they actually believe that advanced manufacturing technology is their key to innovation. And the talent for innovation has been their strength ever since a result of consistent, and they actually do continuous investment in research and development into new tire technology, tire machinery and tire manufacturing processes. Their independent R&D center in Bhuj ensures research into innovative product design and development as well as sustainable materials. And this includes the Tire Future project as well as new compounding method by using rubber obtained from Russian tantalum. TKS is a renewable alternative to natural rubber. In addition, they produce in-house tire molds and carbon black pigments. And the website, it's also mentioned that they actually perform around 500 tests for each of their tire manufactured by them. So I will also include the corporate video of Balkrishna Industries Limited in my YouTube channel below my video in the YouTube comment section, so that you can actually go through them and get an understanding of how the company has progressed over the years. Regarding the sustainability of the company, they are always in the forefront when it comes to sustaining tire manufacturing, and they have won numerous awards both Indian and overseas markets, like the Sustainable Business Network Awards in New Zealand and the District Sustainability Awards in 2019. And 50% of their production plants electricity needs in North India have been met by green energies generated through their own wind power plants that is operational since 2004. And they have large production site in Bhuj, which actually plants around 50,000 trees, just 2 large reservoirs and cogeneration plant for self-sufficiency. And the website also have their also mentions the different types of agriculture tires manufactured by the company. Whether we are a farmer or home contractor, they have level tires to meet the farming equipments for different needs like tractor, high power tractor, small tractor, 2WD tractor, compact utility tractor, mower, harvester, agro truck, lot of different applications they are using. So that is available in the website. You can actually go through them, the different types of tractors manufactured by them for agriculture purpose. They also manufactured the tires used for the Gulf coast, that is a particular vehicle used to transport the Gulf players. So that particular vehicle also uses the tires manufactured by Balkrishna Industries Ltd. They also used this go-kart, that used in racing also, that tires also manufactured by Balkrishna Industries Ltd. So in other applications related to agriculture also, they actually, for vehicles used in agriculture also, they manufacture the tires. Regarding the tires used for industrials, they manufacture different types of tires, be it loading or excavating, lifting or material handling. Where reliable high performance tires are required, they manufacture them, like compact loader, excavator, skid steer, loader, grader, forklift, telehandler, road rail equipment, bocklo loader, compactor, straddle carrier, RTG crane. Some of these tires are actually used in the vehicles or vehicles used in the ports. Some are used in for removing mud in construction or activities. You can actually go through them in the website. Regarding the OTR tire means they are mainly used for mining and construction activities, which are the toughest sectors on earth. So they have the requirement, whatever be the requirement is manufactured by Balkrishna Industries Ltd. That include articulated dump trucks, rigid dump trucks, on-off truck, loader, dozer, grader, scraper, etc. and underground mining vehicle, load hold'em, etc. So I will go through the earnings history of Balkrishna Industries Ltd. So the company is currently trading at 1,240 levels. It is actually have an EPS of around 50 in the current year, that's March 2020. Its 52-week high is 1324 and 677 is a 52-week low. It is currently trading at around 1242. The book value is 259 and the market cap is 24,015 crores. Return on capital employed is 16.89 and the return on equity is 17%. Sales growth for the 3 years is 8.92%. Dividend yield is 1.61% and face value is 2. If you see the 1 year chart of the company, it has risen from around 1 year chart of the company is risen from around 700 levels in July 2009 to around 1,242 in the current levels. It made a high of around 1,277 in 1,237 level in February 2020. Due to the COVID pandemic, it had a fall of around all-time low of 700. And if you see the 5-year chart of the company, it has actually improved from around 328 levels to around to made a high of around it has gradually increased over the years. It was around 700 levels in March 2017, and it was around trading at around 1,200 levels in December 2017, and it was around 1,342, which was around all-time high. It made at August 2018 of around 1,388 levels. Currently, it is trading at around 1,242 levels. So the COVID pandemic, it made a all-time high of around 700 levels. That is a very good level for investment, long-term investment in the company, considering the growth it has made over the years. So let us see what are the earnings of the company. If you see the recent quarter, the March 2020, it made a profit sales of around 1,372 crores as compared to 1,156 crores in the previous quarter, with operating profit of around 384 crores compared to 346 crores. Net profit is higher due to 265 crores as compared to 224 crores. So let's see the yearly results of the company. It has grown over the years. It was just 1,366 in 2009. It improved to around 1,526 in 2010, 2,130, 3,014, 3,390, 3,768, 3,813. Then it had a dip in 2016 to 3,237. Then it improved to 4,811 in 2020. Last year it was a all-time high sales of 5,210 crores. The operating profit has improved from 171 crores in 2009 to around 512 crores in 2012. To 890 crores in 2014, then had a dip in 2015 to 727 crores, improved again over the years to 1131 in 2017. It was 1303 in 2019, and it is around 1,273 crores in 2020. You mean that it was operating profit has improved around 9 times in the last 10-11 years. So regarding the net profit of the company, it was 74 crores in 2009. It improved over the years to around 219 crores next year. 350 crores in 2013, 473 crores in 2015, dipped to 446 crores in 2016, improved to 736 crores in 2018, and it is 960 crores in 2020. As compared to 2019, the net profit is higher because the tax rate is low. Mainly due to this particular reason, this particular company was able to report higher net profits, even though the operating profit is lower. But you can see that the company has actually had a good growth over the years. So that is result in the rise in the stock price of this company also. So if you see the compound sales growth of the company, it is around 12.17%. Over 10 years period, 5 years it is 4.76%, 3 years 8.92%. The profit growth is 14% 10 years, and 5 years it is 11.79%, 3 years 8.61%. CAGR return is 33.73 in 10 years, 29.59 in 5 years, and 15.49 in 3 years. Return equity 10 years is 20.17, 5 years it is 18.18, and 3 years is 17.60. If you see the balance sheet of the company, it was around, the reserves are around 4,970 crores and equity is 39 crores. The reserves are more than 10 times equity capital. It has a bonus in the ratio 1:1 in 2018. The equity has improved from around 19 crores to 39 crores. It has increased the reserves over the years, mainly because of the increased profitability. It was just 459 crores in 2009. It improved to 4,970 crores over the years by increasing the revenues and profits by acquiring new clients and capturing new markets in India and overseas markets. The borrowings are at 932 crores. Mainly, it also includes the working capital also. So the balance sheet shows that the company is in a very good financial position. Regarding the shareholding pattern, you can see that the promoters hold 58.30 crores as compared to June 2020. And they had improved the stake by 4% in December 2017. And promoter holding of 50%, over 50% is always considered positive that they actually are committed in their business. The FIs hold 12% stake in the company, 12.99% stake, and the mutual funds hold 18% stake, which is also positive because mutual funds and FIs only hold stakes in good quality companies. Let us see how the Balkrishna Industries Ltd has become a multi-bagger over the years. So the company has been a wealth creator for investors in the last 17 years based on its numerous bonus issues and stock split based on the increased profitability. So the stock price was just around 70 rupees in 2003 of face value 10, and if we had purchased around 150 shares, the current value is around 55 lakhs into 2020 at the current market price around 1225 face value 2. Let's see how it goes. So the investment in 2003 was around 10,500 rupees for 150 shares. It announced a bonus issue in the ratio 1:1 in 2003. The total quantity becomes 300 shares. 2005 another bonus issue in the ratio 1:2. Total quantity from 300 plus 150, 450 shares. It announced a stock split on face value 10:2 in 2010. The total quantity becomes 450 into 5, 2250 shares. Another bonus in the ratio 2017 in the ratio 1:1. Total quantity for 4,500 shares. So the current value of 4,500 shares 55 lakhs. So this means that investment at 10,000 rupees has become 55 lakhs in the year 2020. That is over 10,000% returns over the year 17 or year period, which is a multi-bagger return, which is beating the return in all asset classes, be it real estate or gold or whatever asset class we have. It is the equity. This return in Balkrishna Industries is beating all asset class because 10,000 investment in 2003 is not a huge amount. If any investor had held a stake, he would be, if he actually bought around shares worth 20,000 rupees, he would have been a crorepati by now. Let's see what are the expectations for Balkrishna Industries Limited in the future. So in FY20, it is posted in EPS around 50. And with a profit of 960 crores and for the sales of 4,800 crores, it is trading around 25 times FY20 EPS, which is not cheap. So it is a specialist tire company present in segments like mining, earth moving, agriculture and gardening, with a presence in Indian and overseas markets, mainly North American markets. It is an OEM vendor for many American companies. It is possible that the company will improve the revenues in future. It has a strong balance sheet of 5,000 crores and 39 crores. It can declare bonus issue in future also. The ratio 1:2 or even 1:1. And the promoter holding and 58% and the FI holding and DA holding is also positive. It has a potential to touch 1,500 levels next 2 years if the earnings continue to grow in future. But we cannot expect the similar returns like that is noticed in the past because already trading at 225 times FY20 EPS. A correction, it will be a good opportunity for the stock to accumulate the stock in the long term. It is quite possible because the stock is already trading at 25 times. But if there is any major correction like the COVID pandemic that we see again, it is very good accumulation stock for accumulation because it is a company that is actually having a good presence in both Indian and overseas market and actually have a good FIA and mutual fund holding. So I feel that the company is good for long-term investment on a dip and if you invest as a risk-averse investor, considering that if earnings can fluctuate between quarters, if any quarter results is not up to the mark, the stock price can actually correct to around 1050 or 1100 levels. And any investment need to be for long term, and for a risk-averse investor, they can actually keep a stop loss to reduce the risk. But I feel that the company is a good investment for long-term investment. Let's see the disclaimer. I am a stock market investor who invests in the company mentioned here, has a interest in it. I am a investor with 15 years experience in the stock market field. So all investors are requested to perform their own research and due diligence before investing in the company or consult a financial advisor. So it is advised to keep stop loss investments because stock market prices are volatile. Considering the risk associated with mid-cap stocks, it is expected that our investment has to be a small percentage of risk-taking capacity, around 5% for total investment. Thank you for watching the presentations. I will be coming up with more videos in the future. Hello friends, in this video I am